This is my kangkong, Philippine or Asian gimusi in my Givhaxi house. And this is okra. I planted so many okra. This is aubergine, Asiatis aubergine. And my all pak choy. And my berry the best of the best, ampalaya. This is my ampalaya. This is Asiatis also. And every summer, nor summer is plancy by winter das kidneys. So it's been glücklich mit meine Gemüse. This is delicious. I will give it to Spiegelhof because she's my friend. We called it kangkong in my mother dialect. Kangkong. It's healthy vegetable. This one. This is good for soup. And this is also vegetables. This one, spinach. Asian spinach. Ay, aubergine. You're so fat, aubergine. And my okra. My salad is pobay. So, okay. It's evening already. This is my happiness. My happiness is my gemyosi. And I have also gemyosi in the other side. Let's take a look. So this is my sweet mais or sweet corn. And my other gemyosi is in the pot. That is also Asian. This one. And my mais is yummy. And oh my goodness. Look at that. My aubergine is kaput because of this. These animals make my aubergine kaput. And this is my also Asiatis gemyosi. It's too little or small. It's small now, but später kommt groß. My plowman tomato. I have so many tomato plants. Not only this, I have also the other side there in my compost. And this is my. I love this blitter. Islibi de blitter is zeer lekker. Zeer lekker de blitter. Gemyosi. Rosenkool blitter is lekker. Hi my plowman tomato kamatis. And then strawberry. And then I have also tomatoes. And I have grapes. My grapes. Oh, plenty of fruits. I also planted Asian gemyosi in my compost. This one. This is Asian gemyosi, but so many animals. And my cucumber. And this is my string beans. And my really cherry tomatoes. It's really cherry. I planted it here in the pot because here this area is shoots area. So this is also okra. Hi gherkin. Anyway, I have harvested it many times. The gherkin, I think six gherkin. Now it's more coming. Look at that. Oh, I love it. This is my compost. I plant it here because the gemusi is good here. Oh, fat. And my grapes. Hello, grapes. Oh, plenty of grapes. But it's still a little. But so many. And Bernie is also plenty of fruits. Bernie. And my winter hat. Anyway, it's just a seedlings. And then I just throw it here. And then comp. And then it comp. My babies. This is all my babies. And all my babies. And their man yesterday gibaut noy clear and lagi on gimak here. Undan may ni Rosie kapot. And then anderen blomin here is kapot. While didingin di si paking dinging. Pero clear ang lagi is the gilasin on yet may ni Rosie pas kaput undi rin gimusi here kaput alis kaput so fili sutun aba iron is beschäftigt jeden Tag weil es muss arbeiten on the grass jetzt ist kaput weil keine Regen this vegan is kapot. Oy, bus is here. Hala. Ay. Oh my God, it's kapot. So it's 9:30 in the evening and it's still hill. Oh my God, I go now to the house. Bye.